Hello everyone, in this I'm going to be showing you how to make your environmental variables permanent in Linux. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and create a variable that is permanent. In order to do that, we need to edit a file named bash rc. This file runs whenever you log into the system or the system reboots. Okay, so whenever the system reboots, this file runs, which means that whatever changes that you make to it becomes permanent. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and edit it now using the vi text editor. .bash rc. That dot indicates that this file is a hidden file. Okay, so now I'm going to add my line of code, which is export, and in this case I'm going to have car equal Ford. Okay, so now I'm going to save this. So if let me go ahead and type echo car. Okay, let's run it. Oh my god, did it not work? It actually did work, but the problem is that this file hasn't run yet. .bash rc has not run it, so it means that the changes were not applied to the system right now. So you can either reboot the system or type this command: source .bash rc, and then let's echo it again, and then we get Ford. So we did it correctly. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove this. Okay, so let's just say that you create a permanent variable, but then you realize, well, you don't want it to be permanent, or you just want to remove it, you don't need it anymore. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So you need to go back to the bash rc file, and then just delete this line, save it, and then if I run echo, wait a second, what's going on? Oh yes, what we need to do is make sure that we reboot the system. Okay, but right now I'm not really gonna reboot the system, I'm just gonna remove this variable from the system. Okay, so whether you can either reboot it or do what I'm about to do. Type onset car. If I run echo again, it doesn't work anymore. So that's basically how you would make an environmental variable permanent, and then how you would remove that variable from the system. Okay, so I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.